Yo, what y'all going? Back in the video and shit. Finna walk a trail. Finna walk his trail and shit. Me. Oh my god. But yeah, I'm finna get into something. Yeah, you feel me? I've been gone, you feel me? Yeah, you feel me? Yeah, stay tuned. I'm finna walk this trail, you feel me? I'm finna show y'all something, you feel me? Y'all see these people outside and shit. Yeah. I'm vlog. Me though, you finna get into something. We finna walk the trail. Me. Bro with me. There you go.
All types of fucked up.
He fucked up right now. He always fucked up, kid. Yeah, his foot and shit swole. Good goddamn trying to break into the house and shit. He done fucking, I don't know, fool. He done scraped himself and shit. He done scraped his foot and shit, you feel me? Bleeding and shit. I don't know, you feel me? Bro finna go to the army and shit too, though, this week. On me. But yeah, we finna get into something, though, on my mama. What, the dogs?
Cause they smell, huh?
Yeah, the dogs. It's hot out. It's hot already.
This nigga got a big boy motherfucker.
It's hot already.
What did I say? Kid. I did say Kid Rock, right? Yeah.
So we got here the other day, chance to do those. Yeah, make it far.
When you go in here, it's like all trees and stuff.
You like in the middle of the woods.
Literally.
Woods.
You going it's like a trail that's gonna walk.
Coco, you got a new tattoo?
Yeah,
Come here.
I got one the other day. I got my mama name.
That's pretty. Oh, she liked it.
Mm-hmm. She thought I was finna get some crazy.
But y'all love some sweet boys.
she, she thought I was finna get some crazy.
I said, what is
Wait,
it? Out of
a
all
neck
the
tattoo.
places you get it at?
Yeah, I done got hit. Yeah.
On his phone. On what? Y'all crazy. Your brother just playing for y'all crazy.
You know he got both sides and he's long.
Uh-huh.
And then alright, straight like this. It was just pushing big stuff. It's slick. I think it just slick slow.
I mean, but how the dope did it though?
I'm still trying to imagine it, even though you told me the story and stuff. I'm still trying to like imagine.
Look though, y'all.
I'm just glad they didn't take my
We can't see
toenail off.
this. We might see it, but look, this how the motherfucker gonna look from right here.
You see the nose?
That's how nigga shit gonna look from through, like we looking through the bushes.
It look like White
We
House
gonna
though.
see that
But
shit.
hold on, I wonder that's all that noise we always hear up there.
His shit somewhere on one of these
Because
bills.
every time you come up here, you gonna hear
that
somebody sound, yeah. That's
Yeah,
not
what?
noise.
No, I ain't took it.
Oh, because I was over there by the
no.
place when we
I'm
came
just
up.
letting you know. That's the point. That's what known to do.
Because that mother was not right there when we came up.
Damn.
I'm finna go up to it. I need to see.
That was not that other
Who
day.
talking about that one though?
Yeah,
That one too.
that wasn't
Which
that.
gnome is this? I don't know.
They stole somebody known and they threw it up at the party and had a whole bunch of extras.
Yeah, we out here though. We walking that motherfucker. We got some gnomes. We got gnomes everywhere, man. I ain't gonna touch that motherfucker though. Ain't no telling what's going on with that one. Yeah, stay tuned though. I'm finna go up for y'all. Finna go up for y'all from now on. Yeah, y'all know. It's goddamn vibe right here though. I'm surrounded by trees, everything. Yeah. They need to get hit. They need to get hit again.
I might go through drown somebody in cold water. Ice water. started asking.
All the shit, the niggas I know that went down the motherfucker, who brought them back.
And then I know when you ODing on powder
Cold.
and shit, you take cold
Charcoal.
shower with milk.
Yep.
For whatever reason, the fat that's in the milk help you come back.
Cold shock your body.
You know?
It's like getting electrocuted scared.
I done seen this shit happen on the movie before.
Hold on, but when you go back off in here, it do look like you remember that movie Wrong Turn?
No, you know, it really looked like was a summer camp movie. Camp Rock.
Camp Rock,
That's
yeah,
what I
yeah.
promise. That's what it looked like. I promise you look like Camp Rock. You
Hey,
go
they
see-
That's your own.
They got cameras out here.
yeah.
Said what?
They got cameras out here.
Yeah. I mean, it's the perfect location for a lot of bags.
Oh, they say swim at your own risk, so you can swim.
I've been getting that shit. Look how they water blue, green, dark, whatever color.
This here right here, though.
I mean, that depends. Like,
Yeah.
Just imagine what's in them motherfucking water. That's the creek.
Try to swim in here. Yeah. Yeah, the trail. Ain't going that way.
Man, we go to Florida in the ocean. This man, him and my son both
Yeah, though.
they got their socks on in the ocean. I was like, put your swim shoes. Put your swim shoes on. They got socks on with swim shoes on. I'm gonna need you to step on that because that's dry. It's gonna catch on fire.
Those that look like Camp Rock.
On me.
The little stage.
Yeah, but everybody come post up at when they have meetings. They had concerts and everything right there.
They had to come far away from the little cabins. On
Ain't gonna lie, that's one movie. If I ever watched the Camp Rock, the first one, I had to watch the second and the other one. Just because.
These same cars ain't moved deep.
They probably got a goddamn camp up in this bitch.
We ain't never. I
They
looked
can't-
for stuff like
Them
that.
out this
We
thing.
came, this was like 2 days ago though.
Yeah,
That
same.
me your copy surf for 2 days.
Yeah, they same spot.
They kind gonna be too hot when they get it right in the sun.
That's if it stars.
That's what I'm right here saying.
Yeah, done did it to 'em.
Hey, where you gonna go look at? Cause you get kidnapped, they take you off the trail. You already in the woods.
He said, yeah, man, it's me, Mike from Michigan. You gonna fuck with me for the last time. Oh, shit.
We do the trail backwards. We don't go.
They gotta
straight
bend
forward,
it.
so it's easy coming
Yeah,
down.
I
So what is that shit?
It used to be I'm gonna say it used to be like a summer camp. Cause they still got the little what's the name?
Yep, and you'll see the work there.
Yeah, the little work game. Like yeah.
Over the law, yeah. Over here, Granny got pound cakes. They're real good, too.
Damn, they got everything right here.
I think these are summer camp.
Yeah,
I
and
think that's
and,
what the fuck it was.
and
bro.
nobody,
Dang.
everybody stopped coming or
Look, see,
something.
look.
We went across a
That's
thing
that
like
little
this.
Same white thing.
All pets must be on the leash. Well, I ain't got no leash. You heard that?
Yo,
He said, where you going, little Robert? To the wild. You really got me camping, boy. You just got took me back to White Cap, didn't you?
He said, where you going over to the wild?
Man, to the wild.
yo,
Nah, this at nighttime, that wouldn't be, I ain't messing with it.
nah, I ain't gonna lie. Somebody would have been cut, filled down, rolled
And
down.
I would've left him.
Motherfucker like the Hollywood.
This cooler than walking on the concrete though, cause it's shade right here.
You can, I ain't gonna lie, you can go in here off the shrooms, so.
Nah, you come up to our shoes, you gonna get lost.
Yeah,
Head cooled off real quick.
trying to come right here in the shrooms.
Trail gonna disappear. Look, mama. You look small.
Oh no.
No,
That one right there last time.
Maybe they started somebody's job.
When we get to the other trail, we're gonna see the big river.
When we get on the trail, gonna be another one. Huh.
When we get in the breeze, in the trail, we're gonna be in the breeze the next season.
Yeah.
I'm almost freaked out.
And it's gonna move a little bit.
Well, a deer?
Nah, a bridge.
Ah.
It got holes in it. You have to jump over it. It's like 10 feet.
Lucas was cool. Me and Terrence was skeptical.
Now, you remember the first time we did this? It was getting dark on us.
Mm-hmm.
You had to hurry up.
I'm over there, got you. I'm mad I ain't bring my phone, ain't no music.
You got my phone?
How much juice you got?
Enough. A lot. It's only gonna take like 45 minutes. This is good. Swipe up. Yes, it's quick.
We halfway through this motherfucker. I think shit. We halfway through this up.
Hell yeah.
You can walk in this. Don't let them see me. Oh yeah. Yeah, this used to be a zip line and shit though. That's what it looked like. I think. I'm staying off this motherfucker. I ain't trying to get fucked up. Yeah, we halfway through it. We halfway through. You already knew. Yeah, huh?
It's the hard part here. You said you slick ice.
It's hard. It's hard part right here.
Because it's ice. And we're going up here first.
Them Louise shit. Yeah. But yeah, I recommend this motherfucker though. Yeah, I fuck with it. Got a tree and shit.
Nah, mama, the thing on the trail, a tree will block your path a little bit, and next thing you know, you flying off the hill.
Mm-hmm. Why? Why you just gonna hold?
I got tired of hoes.
Well, you should have asked him.
I'm a type of guy that like my hands free.
Okay, stop doing
In case somebody try to grab me, I can't grab with a body, man. They didn't do no damage. That's so people hurt.
Somebody hit me with a water bottle, if I don't get mad at them.
Man, they
I'm
play
getting more mad.
What about Bubba
You're
D?
not taking me serious. You
piss me off, boy.
just hit me with a water
I'm
bottle.
gonna say, so you think I'm playing?
You think I'm a joke.
You think I'm really like playing? You just threw a water bottle at me, cuz. You think I'm not finna fight you for real?
Hey, that shit,
You was better off throwing water on me.
hey, you might as well cool mouth. I'm finna tell you something.
Nah, I said, you remember when Terrence act like he took walk over this?
Had to pick him up.
My dog,
Yo.
he wanna go up.
Mm.
I had to pick him up.
That's the opposite right there.
That's what Terrence, I'm thinking.
They don't like it.
Once you come around,
I'm cold. I just jumped off that motherfucker. There's people around this hoe though. Good job. They zip line. They zip line. I done said what up to the bitch like 4 times. Fuck. I'm ready trying to be friendly and shit. This what friendly get you, goddamn. Friendly get you fucked up. You see what I just tried to do, you feel me? But y'all didn't even get to see that. I don't think I did, but yeah. I'm ready trying to tell a bitch what up, you feel me? Cause we walking to the trail. I see they on the trail or whatever, you feel me? But she, you feel me? She dodging me. She acting like she don't want to be bothered. So I'm like, you feel me? I don't even care. Yeah. I done tried to be like, what up, y'all? You feel me? Be friendly, like. Oh, shit. I don't think y'all seen him. But, yeah. Nah. I didn't get to get that. I had to look, because I'm trying to see who's that. I'm trying to see. Yeah.
They gotta watch them cameras.
I like watching when the cameraman doing the track meet. Cause they be running faster than him.
Yeah. I'm alright though. I'm straight though. They right there having fun.
Nah, this real like you can't.
He never did that before.
He said, whoa.
He happy as hell.
You can't chew gum and go I can't walk down.
Whoa!
You wanna know some crazy shit?
Wow!
I can't pass the button walk. No, I mean.
Nah, I gotta show the camera. They ain't see. I gotta show the people. They ain't even see that.
That's show them. You gotta show them.
You see?
I didn't know another one.
I didn't even see that at first.
Yeah.
Everything was good.
Yes, he does.
But you know another thing I wouldn't want to do in this train? If it was like too hot, it's gonna be straight dust. You wouldn't be able to walk. Girl, fall apart.
They call me NASCAR and I'm out of here. The best word.
Bugs and shit keep getting in my eyes and shit, but you ain't goddamn making it through this motherfucker. Shit.
Okay, 536. Okay.
So we would have came out that way.
Yeah.
Oh,
No. Would have came out when we started.
You said
I'm talking about that we would have kept going away.
that's not the same thing. That's something different.
That's what that damn bridge thing I was looking at.
Yeah, we would.
how the fuck you get over here?
We ain't never been back there.
It don't even look like that mother got no flow.
Oh, shit.
Hey. You see, it don't. Breathe. Come on, let's go Rocky Beach. I gotta come back. Get in that motherfucker, nigga. We had this bitch dump. Yeah. What's going on over there? Are you
Cold.
showing out? Hey, come on, bro. I just hate them goddamn wheels they got.
Yeah, shit. Babe. You know me, babe, don't mind me. Heck yeah. Ski. You nigga back here. Yeah. Little on the car. Big.
Coco.
Motherfucker done caught catfish heads.
You know me, big.
I thought you said pants.
Tight. Nah, I'm bad.
Eat a rock. You get on this side, get on this side.
Yeah. Everything.
Catfish gonna bite your ass up. Catfish gonna bite down. Go thick. Go thick.